Hello everyone, welcome to the new lesson. Today we want to talk about add boundary button. What does this command do is to create a surface for your structure. But there are different variations. Let's take a look at it. So everything here has been explained. What is hull thickness, target thickness, blend exponent, boundary, and so on. So you can have a look at it. For example, hull thickness is the thickness of the surface that you want to cover your structure. I'm going to go with 3 millimeters based on the size of the structure that I have. I'm not going to change anything else here, and I want to pick this surface for uh, this boundary. Apply on front, apply on back. I keep both here. What it does is create a thickened surface, and that's it. If you keep both of them activated. I okay? So now I want to see what happens if I uncheck one of those, apply on front and apply on back. So add boundary, it's already been activated. So 3, same as the previous one. This one I want to only apply on front. Okay, I turn around my shape and click on this. Go to the add boundary again. Already activated. 3 millimeters of the hull thickness, and this one apply on back, and we will see the difference together in a moment. I do not change anything else. Go for compute, and okay. The computation begins now, and we can see the results together. Okay, the calculation is over. I'm gonna turn off the visibility of the single surface and the body so we can have a look together. All right, let's see what happened. If you remember, in the top of this structure, I applied both on front and on back surface boundary, right? So as you see, this is a solid surface in front of the on top of this structure. In the right side, however, we chose only on front. What happens is that it keeps the volcanoes open but closes the rest of the structure, and it becomes a shape like this. It can be useful in applications like filtration. On the other hand, if you go with uh, boundaries on back here, you can see, sorry, you can see that your volcanoes are closed, but the rest of the structure has remained open. This is the lesson about boundaries. See you next lesson.